Hey guys, what's going on? It's Carbs here, and today I've got a bit of a showcase. I recently just put out a toolbar for Aseprite, the BG Auto Scroll toolbar, and just wanted to showcase it a little bit and kind of show off some of the features and how to get started. Basically, what it is you can take a solid background, a background with shapes, whatever, and make it, parallax and scroll around pretty easily, and it's super fun to play with. So yeah, I thought I would just go ahead and show it off and kind of how to get started with it and whatnot. So I'll put a link down in the description for where to get this. It's on my itch page, and yeah, without further ado, let's jump in. So first, you're going to want to go over to the website and of course download the tool. So go ahead and do that, and once you get it all downloaded, it'll be in your downloads folder, right? So then we'll go ahead and we'll jump into Aseprite, and we will pop it into the scripts folder. So let's go ahead and open that scripts folder here. So scripts, open script folder, and that's going to pop open your script folder. So you just want to drag this into your script folder from your downloads. Okay, close that. Go ahead and restart Aseprite. Alright, so once you have Aseprite restarted, it will appear in the scripts menu here. So you see it is right here. So you can click on this, and this will load up the BG Auto Scroll version 1.00. So there it is there. Now I'm going to show you kind of a cool little tip that I use, where I use space and then the S key to bring up the toolbar instead. I feel like it's a lot quicker. I also have one set up for my Carbs toolbar as well, which is space C. So I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. You just got to go into keyboard shortcuts, and then you're going to scroll down here to whatever toolbar you'd like. So right here you can see I have one down here. Carbs toolbar is space C, and then the auto scroll background toolbar thing is set to space S. So that just makes it super quick. If I wanted to say open up the slip generator, I could do something like space G or something, and then that would open up the slip generator toolbar with space G. So yeah, that's super nice and handy. It's easy to open up your toolbars super quick if you're using them and whatnot. So yeah, good little tip there. All right, so anyways, let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to open up a little file that I've created ahead of time, which is my mountain scene. So this is what we're going to be animating here. I've gone ahead and done the pixel art already. You guys aren't here for that. You're just here for the the toolbar and seeing how that works. So as you can see, I've got a bunch of layers. I've got the sky, I've got the stars on a separate layer. I've got the mountains here on a separate layer. I've got the ground, and then I have this fence right in the front here. So that's all nifty. So now let's go ahead and open up our toolbar. And again, I'm just going to use Control Space to do that, or you can go up here, Scripts, and then BG Auto Scroll Toolbar. Also works. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now, we're working with a 160 by 160 image here. So what I like to do is set this to 160, which means this is going to move 1 pixel per frame. And that's going to be our sky and our stars. So go ahead and click on this first frame, and then we're going to scroll it to the left. And if I hit the preview, you'll see that it is scrolling to the left. We'll do the same thing with the stars. So I'll click on the first frame, scroll to the left. Okay, so now you can see they're both scrolling to the left together. And that's great. So now I'll click on the mountains. And we want these to move a little bit quicker, so we're going to go ahead and loop it twice. So what this does is it basically does an 80 frame animation twice over the 160 frames. So the 160 frames is our total animation, but the mountains are only going to take 80 frames to wrap all the way around. So it's going to do it twice, which is going to look twice as fast, as you'll see here in a second. So you see they're moving a bit faster than the sky, which is great. Nice little parallax, right? We're gonna do the same thing with the ground. So we'll set this to maybe like 4. We'll get the ground moving a bit quicker because it's starting to get closer to our camera here. And then the fence, we're gonna turn all the way up to 6. And we'll go to the left. And there you go. I mean, pretty easy, right? I mean, a still image that we've created, and we made this really nice looking animation. Now we can clean it up even more if we just select all these frames, right? And we'll go ahead and set this to 50 milliseconds, which will make it a 30 FPS image instead of 15, I think. So that'll actually make it look a little bit smoother. So that's really nice. There you go. So yeah, anyways, that's kind of a quick look into the toolbar and like what you can do with it. This is one of the bigger features for sure, being able to like offset the speeds and whatnot. I think it's a pretty great feature. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy it. So definitely download it and try it out. If you like it, awesome, hopefully. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all that stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully you've enjoyed this. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.